Hey guys, today is a little different video. I'm gonna be building a PC. I ran into some issues along the way, but here's a little like vlog compilation or something. I just wanted to document me building my first PC because I've been playing video games off my laptop for forever, and now that I finally had enough money to save up and buy one, here's a little video showing the journey. Enjoy. This is the case. It's a Lian 205 LAN cool. Which way do I put it?
1 second, you need to screw this in.
Do I have to put this over it?
You have to put that over it as well, but that's...
Which way does this go? Where's the... So me and my brother just figured out how to put this cooler on.
Took way too long?
Took really way too long because we kind of just... The bracket was like out of place, so... I'm recording a YouTube video.
Oh, what's up, bro?
So we got it working. Now he's got to put it into the case.
Does it post though? Did it post? Did not post.
Oh, it did.
Oh, no, there it goes. It's doing something.
There we go. The case fans and one of the front intake fans. So it's coming together pretty well. Countered an issue. The back plate on this, we thought that you're just supposed to put it in after the motherboard, yeah. Yeah, so you're actually supposed to put this in before you put in the motherboard. So now we have to undo everything and like get this in first.
It's not that bad. Could have been worse.
Okay. Supply in, but it is in upside down, so we gotta take it out again. So if you know PCs, then you'll know that this cable management job is the worst possible job you could ever do, but we've been working on this like I think 3 hours longer than we should have because we kept messing up because my brother doesn't know how to build in this case. He's never built in a case like this.
I'm just bad at this.
Well, he's built 1.5 PCs before, so and I've built 0, and my only experience is watching YouTube. So a lot later, everything is in. The cable management job wasn't the best, but I mean, honestly, you can't really tell unless you like really try to look for it. Most people would say, "Oh, look, nice PC," right? And I don't even have space on my desk when I go to college, so it'd probably be on the floor, honestly. So, yeah, together we gotta hook it up and set up Windows. So everything is plugged in now, but I cannot get a display. Earlier I had it, and literally just like 5 minutes ago, it was working, but now there's no input for the GPU. I got the computer starting up, it's off right now, but something's weird because like I thought it was a channel of like 2 and 4 because originally the PC would start up if you had the single RAM stick in 2, but when you added to 4 it wouldn't start up. So then I switched my fans to over here so I can fit 1 and 4, and then it started up but then didn't start up, then started up, but then it started up and then I brought the case up and then it wouldn't work. And I put the case back down, so it's something with my wiring. Like earlier you saw my ugly ass cable management. My friend is coming over tomorrow. He's actually on Discord. But he's coming over tomorrow to help me fix this. So this is taking longer than I expected, but yeah.
The following day.
I'm just gonna turn it off.
Okay. So we gotta boot it up to Windows now. And we're gonna see redid the cable management, so it's still not the best job in the world, but it's definitely a lot better than the last time. And these should be like tighter, but you know. So the PC is completely done, it's completely set up. My cable management for the PC is kind of messed up because I'm moving out of here and I don't really want to spend time on that. But I've been playing some games. I'll throw some footage on how the games runs. Yep, this is the end of the video and here's some gameplay.
Clone kill.
Come on, let's go!
Be faster. See ya.
Off your feet!